Oh, sorry.
Did you give him the letter?
What? How was I supposed to know?
By paying attention. He's triggered this. Go on, give it to him.
Head office have asked me to hand you this.
What is it?
It's a letter from head office. You've been in this so much, so I want to know how much you can afford.
What I can afford? Who the hell do you think you are, eh? You think I got some sort of problem or something? I ain't got no problem, you know, eh? You've got the problem.
Third on the inside is our Bryn, and Zach Magic is in fourth place. Fifth, the Sierra Royale, Darling Maltese still quite exuberant, just a little fiercer.
Oh yeah, pizza again. Do you have the SOF?
Here it is.
Cheers. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Head office have asked me to hand you this. Just ask for some further information about yourself.
Really? What?
It's nothing to worry about. All companies in this industry have a responsibility to ask for information from time to time. This leaflet will give you more information about the reasons we need to ask for this.
What information?
Such as the source of your funds for your bets, such as your salary.
Well, I don't think that's any business of yours.
It's entirely confidential and part of our responsibility to the well-being of our customers.
I suppose that makes sense.
So we'll just need to see a bank statement or some proof of income.
Look, I ain't been losing that much.
It's not about losing or spending. We just have a responsibility to look out for you.
Yeah? Right.
And finally, we just need to see some photo ID.
What, don't I look 18 to you?
It's not that, it's just a requirement. A passport
Do I look like I'm going on holiday? Who carries a passport with them anyway?
or a driver's license or even a recent utility bill.
Look, I ain't got any of that stuff with me, mate.
That's not a problem. It's very easy to get that information out to us. Post or email with you.
What, now?
No, you have 10 days and I can take your bets. This leaflet will tell you more and who to contact if you have any other queries.
Thanks. All right. Cheers.
Leeds will both be wide, pushing on the spot full stop.